Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're leaving Dallas today and we're actually headed to Miami, not Fort Lauderdale. Our flight's leaving in a few minutes, so we have to take the train over to the gate at C4. We'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, we're on the train now. We have to head to gate C4, so that's next stop. A few moments later. After a quick ride on the Skylink from Terminal A, we're now headed to gate C4 to board our flight to Miami. This is our gate, C4. Alright everybody, so I apologize for the rushiness at the beginning of the video. Actually, we had our flight booked for tomorrow at 5 a.m., but something came up and we need to leave tonight. So anyway, we will be leaving to Miami tonight. I'm in seat 14F. I do not know the aircraft yet, but I will keep you updated when we land. Miami is a big airport. It's different. We've never flown there before. So please sit back, relax, enjoy the flight to Miami. Goodbye, Dallas, Fort Worth. All right, let's get onto this Airbus A321. Gate C4, DFW.
Recording? Yep.
We're separated.
You can ask the person from beside you if you want to change. Or you. Okay.
Done all the way up here.
Alright, our seat today is 14F. We have the seat, no seat back once again, but we do have the device holder.
Oh. That's so cool.
Tray table. In-flight entertainment information. Safety card. And our window. Welcome aboard. This is our wing view for today. Today our aircraft is November 152 Alpha Alpha, an Airbus A321.
Captain Nunez, on behalf of your mind, today's cabin and flight crew, welcome aboard. It's going to be a 2-hour and 25-minute flight to Miami. Right now it's currently partly cloudy and 84 degrees in Miami. Cloudy here should be nice. There is some weather just about an hour out over Louisiana. Other than that, it's a pleasant evening to fly.
We're not pushing back.
If needed, exit pad lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor that exit indicated by signs and lights. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest useful exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally.
We're now taxiing.
It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
Now taxiing to the runway. flight radar 24. And let's search up our flight, AA1405. And here we are, right over Kilgore, Texas, at 27,000 feet about. But I'll update you once we reach cruising altitude. We've just reached our cruising altitude of 33,000 feet over Louisiana. As we fly over Louisiana, the sun begins to set. Alright guys, before we begin our snack and drinks, I'd like to give a shout out to Keith.
So people.
Very cool guy, and making all of us feel welcome aboard the flight. We'll see you in a second. Hello, welcome back to l'American Restaurant. I'm Chef Jacob. Here we have a spritzer, which is just orange juice and seltzer. Perfect addition to the menu of 2 items. And next we have pretzels, Phoenix style. We're now flying over New Orleans, Louisiana. Beginning our descent into Miami. We're currently over the city of Naples, Florida.
us today. Welcome to Miami, Paradise. Here in local time is 10:57 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is off. Once the seatbelt sign is off, use caution when opening the overhead compartments, since articles may have shifted during the flight.
A little bit of a party trip. So
If you have any connections here, please make sure you confirm your connecting gate with the information and screens inside the terminal, or you're more than welcome to go to aa.com to see the status of your flight. On behalf of American Airlines, one of our partners, and this amazing and great crew that you have this evening, we thank you very much for flying with us today. We hope to see you anytime soon, and once again, welcome to Miami.
Welcome to Miami. Welcome to Miami. Have a good night, Mr.
Take
P.
care. My friend, enjoy. What is it? So is this for YouTube? Or?
Yeah, this is for YouTube.
Ah, what's the name on YouTube?
The Travelman USA 360.
The Travelman USA 360. I'm looking for my friend.
See ya. Thank you.
Alright, take 5 suitcases up here. I need you to take this. I'll reach you wait, where's my suitcase? Oh wait, is that?
Bring the car seats or?
Bye,
do it.
thank you. Bye, thank you. Alright guys, so first time flying into Miami. Pretty cool, it's a big airport. But that's that. There was a plane crash today actually on runway 9. It was a Dominican airline, I forgot the name, but it caught on fire. I don't have any news yet about who's okay and who's not, but I'll keep you updated. Welcome to Miami. Just south of Fort Lauderdale, so it's not really different. We're at the massive D concourse. Welcome to Miami.